In a quiet meadow, a small rabbit named Peter found a shivering bird with a broken wing one chilly evening. Feeling a rush of compassion, he gently picked up the fragile creature and kept it warm near his burrow. Over the next few days, Peter carefully cared for the bird, feeding it and keeping it company. Gradually, the bird regained its strength, and one morning it fluttered its wings and took its first flight. Before soaring away, it perched on Peter's shoulder, offering a grateful chirp. Peter smiled, knowing that his small act of kindness had helped create an unspoken, lasting bond.